Alright guys, RETROCENGO here. How are you all doing? We got a package from BackBIT that we're gonna look a bit closer at today. Modern hardware for vintage computers. Evie Salomon sent us this. Founder and CEO. I'm so sorry. Yeah, there we go. We got a nice package from BackBIT that has got all sort of stuff for our Commodore 64s. But in today's video, we're gonna take a look at this beauty. It's the BackSID. Oh, it's too loud. There we go. BackBIT, BackSID. Now this is a replacement chip for the 6581-8180. And this gun has its own serial number. Nice stuff. So let's just go ahead and unbox this and put it in one of my Commodore 64s and test it out. Let's take a look at this beauty. Direct replacement for the 6581 and 8580. Let me touch some metal here. There we go. Oh man, this is beautiful stuff. Oh, this is the serial number. Man, I'm loving it. 2022 BackBIT BackSID version 2. Now, guys, we're just gonna replace the chip that is in this Commodore 64. In another video, when there are, now I just got this today, but there will be new firmware updates. Evie will update it. When she puts out some updates, I will show how to update it, because we have some software adjustments for this. As you can see, settings can be changed using the firmware upgrade application. Overdrive adds loudness. Oh, that's something for me. Mild or distortion. I love distortion. It's so cool. We can add filters or smoothing out. BackSID 6581 chip replacement replaces the essential elements of the original SID chip, including paddle and mouse support. Automatically recognizes computer model and adjusts output level accordingly. Does not support audio pass-through. No one cares. Firmware can be upgraded with the Commodore 64 firmware here at the download section. I have been in there. I took a lot of different versions, revisions of the firmware already. This is January 2023. So as I can see, this company is updating and improving this little chip's software. So that's awesome. Let's go ahead and open this beauty and replace the SID chip together. This is how it sounds original. Now, if you're a subscriber to this channel, then you know I'm a huge fan of the SID chip. I just love the audio in these lovely computers. So testing out a SID chip is just pure awesomeness for a nerd like me. When you do stuff like this, unplug the power, unplug everything you can unplug. So this beauty SID chip is the MOS 6581, and it's from the 4th week of 1983. And as you heard for a couple of seconds ago, it sounds absolutely amazing. Don't use a big screwdriver. You can use something like this that costs peanuts, or you can use something like this that costs peanuts and go in and take this SID chip out really carefully. So as you can see, it has got this little notch at the top, and the same is located on the socket here. It has got this notch at the top. So when you insert this little BackBIT SID, then you have to make sure that this little notch is, of course, located at the top cover again. So there is no trouble about that. And on a previously video, I was showing another Commodore 64 where this cooler for the VIC-2 chip was a bit rusty, and I said I don't like stuff like that. And Björn from Sweden, we say Björn in Denmark, it's bear, but yeah, after that video, look at what Björn sent to me. So I got this one with the postman today also. So we're gonna replace this on an upcoming video. I'm gonna replace on all these 407 revision boards. I'm gonna check out these boxes so there can be more airflow inside, and put these coolers on the chips. This one, normally the SID chips, they need some cooling, but I think that this one will run ice cold. But we're gonna test it out. It fits like a glove. Looks and sits beautiful. Okay, before we turn anything on, I just want to make sure, because 2 weeks ago I tested another SID chip and the hood was closed until the end of the video where I opened it, showed everything. But some people wrote to me, this is cheating. We don't know if it's the testing chip or it's the original, because it sounds as the original. So none of you will have no misunderstanding. I'm gonna turn it on with the BackBIT SID on here, so you can see that I'm not trying to cheat. No, nothing, guys. Why should I do that? But some people, they're like that. Let's give it a go. I'm looking forward to this. It's gonna be awesome. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, 2 seconds, guys. Now we have power. Okay. Of course, I'm using brand new PSU, that's for sure, and it's super nice. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! Is that normal? That was a loud sound. Okay. I'm just checking the legs, but they're all in and looking fine. Okay, let's go enter the menu here and check out a song. Oh, come on. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, I'm listening. 2 seconds, guys. There's a clicking sound, click. Okay, 2 things. First of all, it makes a little click sound that I have not heard of before. And the other one is, it has, I can really hear that it has got loudness on. If you're watching this on your phone, you can't hear it, but if you have big speakers with bass, you can hear the recording. It has got a lot of oomph on the bass. Sounds absolutely amazing. So the loudness bass level is really high, and the mid tones and high tones are at the middle. But again, I can go in. I'm gonna make a two-part video, because I love this. The other one, I just showed everything in one video, and that was sad. I want to make multiple videos with this because I have so much love for it. So, bass is high, okay. Of course, I can adjust it over here on my speaker. But this one, it's called, again, it's JB. It has got very high tones, and some of my old 6581 chips that are not dead, but going dead, degraded, they can't give me the high pitched tones, so I'm gonna test it on this one. Bass is great, bass. it says da-da-da-da-da-da-da, but on a lower tone it should say and those ee sounds, they are there, but they're really low. So I'm gonna go in and adjust this. When you get this, you have to adjust it, because some of the high-pitched tunes are set on low. I can just hear it. Yeah, it needs to be adjusted. I can hear it, but it sounds... No, wait, that's to the end of the video, how I think. A bit more volume. Treble in the middle now. Treble on maximum. Treble on low. Treble on here. So the best test for me, one of the best tests, is last V8. I mean, that music has got really high tones, and if it hits them, I will be happy. If it doesn't, I will share it with you guys. So let me just give it a go. I love this SID tune, so let's give it a go. Oh yes! Yes! Perfect! The verdict at the end, but wow, man. And now it's emulating the 6581, and I want to play the songs that are made for the 6581, of course. Not for the 8580, but because they can sound a bit glitchy. You know how it is, guys. That's different. Oh, bass! Oh my god, the air! It pushes out a lot of air! Wow! It's good. It's really good. Is really nice. I mean, wow, absolutely wow. I'm feeling the vibration on my table here. It's so cool. It sounds amazing. You should experience this with me. It sounds... Where's my buddy here? Oh, check this one out. Wow. So, golden here. This is so odd because I love this game. I played it on the Amiga, and now I found out about Golden Axe was also for the Commodore 64. Cool. And then I found out about the soundtrack, the Amiga soundtrack that has been impaled in my brain from childhood. I could hear the SID version. Found out about it back in 2019 for the first time. And I just listened to this tune because when we were kids with the family together, we're about 200 in our family, so a lot of cousins, you know. We loved to play the Amiga back then. And 2 weeks ago, I tested another chip. I'm not gonna talk about other companies' models now, but that other SID chip replacement was good, except this one track. Okay, and now I'm testing this one from the BackBIT, and it's so good, but this one, Golden Axe, it sounds off. I know it says here 8580. Maybe that's why it's a bit off, I'm not sure, because it's emulating a 6581 and the song is on 8580. But both these replacement chips, this one song is off. Yeah, I can hear the difference. That's odd, man. Both chips does the same. Let me just check this one out. It's just fun for me. I know it's hard for you to hear the difference with, you know, YouTube decompression, these speakers, the microphone, everything. It's hard. It's not easy, but it's fun too. Ah, okay. This is number 3. Yeah, this one. Okay, this one has got some high tune synthesizer. Please, 2 seconds. Oh, a bit off. Just a bit. When I say, wait. And then it says, BAM! Okay. This video is really long, I know, I'm so sorry. We're gonna talk about this on part 2, but the verdict, let me just go into the verdict here. When this one dies, because it's 40 years old, right now it's perfect, but I love the high tones, those ear-piercing tones, I love them, okay? So, when all the SID chips are dead, could we be happy by something like this? The verdict. Oh, hell yeah! Most of the songs are perfect. Golden Axe, when I say it's different, when I say it's a bit off, then I don't mean that it's bad. I don't mean that I don't like it. I mean it's like you have taken some other samples, some other tunes and plopped them in. It sounds a bit different, but it sounds great. The timing and all that is great. Nothing wrong with that. we could actually just go in for the fun of it and go in and see CRT and go into cartridge. No, I think I have more games here. Batman, just listen to this. This one has high tunes also. Wow. Are you? The high pitch audio on the BackBIT SID, BackSID, yeah, it is BackSID. The high pitch is ear piercing as I love it. Okay, they're there, the high tunes are there, and they sound exceptionally well done. But this one has got loudness on. I can hear it because compared to these old ones, the bass has got so much oomph in it. I can feel the floor is shaking, my table is shaking, all the chips on my Commodore 64 is shaking, and it sounds amazing. This chip gets 10 out of 10 from me. Fully recommended. I mean, I think it costs $30 or something like that. I mean, for the happiness this cheap product gives us, it's just amazing. No, it's not hot. It's not hot. It's ice cold. At this time, my original 6581 was burning hot, guys. No, the hottest pin is absolutely the Big 2, but it is what it is. Yeah, verdict, 10 out of 10. I love it. In the upcoming video, we're gonna, and this is on full purpose, I'm gonna show you how to go in, I have the program in here, how to go in and adjust everything and see if we can adjust Golden Axe to sound even better, because it's not bad, it's really nice, guys. Wow, absolutely wow. Let's finish this video by entering one of the greatest Amiga games back then, Commodore 64 Diagnostics. No, wait, this one. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? What an achievement with this game. Okay. Oh, and I'm not cheating. Look at the chip here. Guys, it sounds different on this game. Trust me, it sounds different. That's odd. That's really odd. I have to... I would just leave this chip in, but just for the sake of the video, while you're listening, while you can see everything live. Check out the notch here. I have to replace this one. And gonna try it again. I mean, this chip has not been off here for the last 40 years, so there we go. Come on, honey. These original chips, I love them. There we go, and the notch is up here. Give it some power and no. What's it? Power here, and there we go. Let's go into CRT. Sound a bit different, guys. Yeah, come on. I'm loving this SID chip, man. There we go. Let me just listen to it. It's so cool. Yeah, it is different. It is different. So the verdict. This chip has got so much oomph, it has got so much power. Wow. So the verdict, what do I think about it? I think it's an awesome chip. It does what it is meant to do. And on part 2 we're going to go in and adjust everything and have some more fun with this one. It's an amazing replacement. $32. Come on, man. I mean, I wanna thank Evie for making stuff like this so our lovely Commodore 64s can give us more happiness. Us old guys, we're old, but we still love our old computers from the childhood, from the teenage years. So, wow, man. And I have been checking out the webpage, BackBIT Pro, BackBIT's chip tester. I mean, there are a lot of different stuff in there you can go in and check. So I will put a direct link so you can go in and check what this lovely store has got for our old computers. But I'm telling you, it's fully approved by RETROCENGO. So if you're thinking about buying a SID replacement, where you can also use the mouse in Eye of the Beholder and pedals, this is one great solution. The only thing that was meh for me was that this got sent just about Christmas, so it took, I think it took a week or something from the US to Denmark. So it is what it is, but other than that, no VAT, no tax, no issues. It just got through everything, so that's perfect. So I want to say thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on part 2, because I'm really looking forward to make part 2. Have a great day out there, guys. RETROCENGO out.